I'm very happy to see Professor Chu and Professor Revol emphasize the air pollution effect of fossil fuels. In the last 2 years, there have been 3 reports, one by the IMF and the second by WHO and the International Energy Agency, that air pollution-related deaths and other health effects from fossil fuels been estimated to be about $4.5 trillion every year. And if you scale it with the 30 billion tons of fossil fuel emission, it comes to the cost is $150 a ton. And the social cost of carbon from climate change is $40. So in recognition of this, yesterday the council approved us to have a workshop on the health effects of fossil fuels through climate change and air pollution. We are going to team up with the Harvard Medical School, WHO, and then the Lancet Commission. So if anyone interested in this, please give us your ideas. I think it also fits in very well with the new president-elect of the US. Apparently he has told, this is from New York Times, he has told EPA, the transition person, that EPA is for clean air and clean water. So I think John Schellenhuber is one of the few studies I know which has shown decarbonizing will also clean the air. So I think this is an area we should really give a serious look.
So I'm wondering, you told us about the abundance of thorium. Is there any issue having to do with the richness of the ore? In other words, is it harder to extract thorium from the kind of ore that you will get than it would be for uranium, or is it similar?
Well, actually, thorium is mostly found as monazite, which is a phosphate, and most of the time it's mixed with the rare earth ore. And in fact, it's a byproduct of mining for rare earth. I mean, I showed on one of my slides a little sample of monazite that I got from someone who owns a mine in South Africa, and that gentleman has 10,000 tons of thorium in his backyard, hoping that one day somebody is going to buy this from him. So I don't think there is any basic issue with this. In addition, the thorium ore is pure thorium-232. There you don't need to extract, to do an isotopic extraction. So it seems that actually it would be rather cheap to get thorium. One of the reasons why you don't find thorium in seawater is that thorium oxide is not soluble in seawater. So unlike uranium, which you find mostly in the ocean these days, you don't find thorium. It was retained in the rocks.